This is one very uh, demanded topic, and I've seen this topic, uh, which is very useful when you are going to take the decision. Okay, you have chosen embedded systems, or you have chosen electronics as a career. So, in that way, how you gonna proceed? Because why this topic came into my mind is I have seen people writing in their resume. They have done some sort of PCB designing. They have done some C++ on Arduino. Okay, they have some knowledge of system Verilog. They have some understanding of uh, MATLAB or some random software. Maybe they have some LabVIEW understanding because colleges are pushing too much for LabVIEW. Okay, all these things but I can guarantee if you know all this, you will face lot of difficulties while getting a job. Why I'm saying this? Because industry has decided a certain rules. Okay, they have decided certain rules, and when you give your resume, they try to fit your resume in those bracketed. Okay, so this person know PCB design. Okay, put in this box. This is hardware engineer. This no C plus Arduino. Put them in software bracket. Or this one know Verilog. Put them in VLSI bracket. Okay, so these are the things that the recruiter thinks. Okay, we don't have any understanding when we are in college. Okay, do this also, do that also. That's why when people started working on embedded, they thought, okay, everything under the sun is embedded. No, it's not. We have to choose a specialization. You want hardware, you want software, you want VLSI, or you want some digital signal processing, or you want some other IoT related thing, or some advanced Linux or cyber security thing. That's your decision. And how will you make that decision? If you know what are the pros and cons, what are the suitable availability of jobs in India or abroad, and how much they pay, and that's what we will cover in this series. So this is one series of the career blueprints where I will guide you to all the mostly available uh, job profiles in electronics as such. Maybe that comes under embedded and cannot come under embedded. Okay, so almost 40 plus specialization available in embedded roles. I don't know, my tongue is twisting. Okay, so if you see around yourself, so embedded is almost everywhere. So automotive, I mean, your cars, your the recent trucks, and the lightweight vehicles, and all those things are which have some locomotion part that comes under automotive. Consumer electronics, you see the fridge, okay, the washing machine, and other appliances, oven, and all. Aerospace and defense, I don't need to explain. Medical devices, you see there's a BP monitor or there's a sugar monitor, okay, that can read the blood sugar from the on the sample. IoT and telecom, you see we are listening this on a 5G module, 5G mobiles, and uh, everything around telecom is electronics, or somehow I can say is embedded only. Okay, so what the questions are, most people know only one role. So when you listen this word embedded, you know only this word, embedded software engineer. Okay, so and this is very common because the other roles they are very specialized, and once you get into industry, then you'll know, okay, this one is there, this one is not, this one interests me a little, that doesn't sound interesting for me. So these are the things that you can get after 3 years of experience or 4 years of experience. But our goal is to bridge the gap between the industry and the college. So that's why we are here. Okay. So every domain has its own specializations: automotive, consumer electronics, aerospace, medical, IoT, telecom. Each industry differ in day-to-day work, and that's what the specialization is all about, and the tools and the salary. So based on the tools, you'll get the salary. Based on the domain you are working, you'll get salary. Okay, so based on the company you are working, the salary will change. Okay, so these are the factors that will be able to help you decide, okay, this one is for me, this one is not for me. Okay, so I'll tell you my story. So uh, VLSI is very interesting thing. It has some very good company. It pays you higher, but the thing that interests me is a piece of software running on the hardware, doing some crazy stuff, uh, doing something on the display, or making some camera work, or making some LED glow, or some motor drive. That thing interests me. Okay. In VLSI, what happens? You design the circuits on a very good uh, software. You'll have to do some theoretical understanding. Based on that, you design the board. Okay. Based on you design the circuit, and that got tested. So, and then it will go to foundry, and then the chip will be made. Right. So this thing doesn't sound interesting to me. Okay. The opinion could be changed for you. Okay, for other person. But this thing, the hardware and the software, the combination and the things are working on them around it, these things really interest me. So I'm here not on this side. So I'll give you your set of uh, opinions. Okay, based on that I'll give you the set of facts, that based on that you can decide your opinion. Okay, so which one to choose, the embedded side, software, hardware side, IoT side, or VLSI, or for that matter the different things, right? So that's what we say. By the end of this series, you'll be get understanding of all 40 roles, breaking down category track by track, a step-by-step career roadmap, beginner to architect, a demand versus difficulty versus salary comparison table. So based on that, you can make your understanding. Okay, I want this job. I don't want this job. Right? Okay, let's go ahead. So I have divided the 40 roles into 11 tracks. Okay, and just the groups you can say. Okay, so IoT has one group, it has some three or four job categories. Artos has a group which has some three to four category of job roles. And based on that, we will see what are the companies offer the job, what are the skills that are required, and what are the salary comparisons you'll get on a basic level or a MNC level, and how can you approach this. Okay, so we will discuss all this in our future lectures or videos, that how can you understand a particular domain, specialization of the embedded system, and then based on that you can make your decisions, which one excites you, which one not, and you can start working on that direction only. Okay, so stay tuned. We'll update the series with the following categories. I think 10 or 11 videos will come based on that. A short videos will be there so that you can decide, you can get the basic understanding, and remaining things, if you have any doubts, you can already join the group. We can have a healthy discussion there, and stay updated, and please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day.